Creating a report, grid and chart. You can create texts, grids, charts, images, and barcodes in a report. This video describes how to create a report using a grid control and chart controls. Right-click the subfolder of View Model and select Report in the New. Enter the code, name, and description to create a report object. Composition of Report Design Studio. Click the File from the top menu and select Report Info to set the report information. After setting the report information, define the parameters to be used in the report. Double-click the parameter, input a parameter name and description and specify the type. First, create a grid. Double-click the grid type parameter defined in the parameter list to set the grid information. Support Grid Column Setup screen. Go to the Grid Query tab and write a query statement that queries the data to be displayed on the grid. Click the Run button to execute the query. After you execute the query results are displayed in the Query Result tab, and a reference column list is created in the Grid Columns tab. From the reference column list, select the columns to be displayed on the grid, input the type and label of the columns, and save it. Drag and drop the grid parameter from the parameter list to the design area to create the grid control. Adjust the size of the grid and double-click it to make detailed settings. Set the layout of the grid. Adjust the width of each column, specify the properties and save. Next, create charts. Click the chart in the toolbar and drag it into the design area to create a chart control. Specify the properties of the chart in the Property tab. You can copy and paste the chart control created. If the report requires a label such as a title, click the Text in the toolbar. Drag it into the design area to create a text control and specify properties. Once you've created all the controls you need, go to the Scripts tab and write scripts to design the charts. Declare required variables and data. When initializing the report, set the type of x-axis and set the label of each axis. After the data is retrieved, create charts and add the data to the charts. The script is completed. Save and run it to see the report. You can see the report in the preview. Thank you for watching.